On this website, you can get a MasterCard that can give you $1,000, $500 worth of international transactions, and you can use it. You can start using it as SAP. You want for $200 or $100? Yes. What you just have to do is, of course, you now put your phone number. You can select your country from here, and I use this card on Wise, and it worked on Wise. This card also works on Amazon. It also goes on PayPal. The Central Bank of Nigeria limited international transactions of most cards to $20, and right now a lot of Nigerians are stranded and having issues with making international payments. Don't worry, I got a new option for you. So today, guys, I bring you a new way for you to make international payments. If you are new here, my name is WATERFRED'S, and I teach things about arbitrage, buying and selling of e-currencies, fiat currencies, dollar, pound, euro, Ugandan shillings, Ghanaian cedis, and resend them back to make profits. So stay with me on this one and watch to the end so you understand how I do this. So guys, this is digigifting.com. On this website, you can get a MasterCard that can give you $1,000, $500 worth of international transactions, and you can use it. You can start using it as SAP. Once you come here, you click on sign up. And then if you click on sign up and you see this page like this, what you have to do is you come here.
I want to come to me, but it's not come to me. As if you will come to me, then say make I vote. I say I don't go vote unless they donate their daughter. Arete was holy water. Arete samba is samba, holy water is samba. Holy water is samba, is samba is samba, holy water is samba. Holy water is samba.
Click on these three dots here and click and reduce it. Okay, let's say you click on sign up and it's like this. Just use the zoom and reduce it here so you can see it properly. Yes, and then you can sign up. So right now you can see that I've logged into my account. You can turn on and turn off the dark theme here. So I provide the white, so you can scroll down and then click on this MasterCard here. You select the price you want to get for here. If you want to go for $25, you know there is a fee, a fee of 4.95, so they'll give you $25 here. The extra 4.95 is for the fee. There's for $50, there's for $100, which is 104 in total. There's one for $1,000, and the current rate is 576.98 to $1, unlike the black market rate, which goes for 585 as at today, being 21st March, 585 to $1. Yes, so this is way cheaper than the black market. Now I would love to state that this is not actually for arbitrage. If you are intending to use this for arbitrage, the 576 rate is a bit on the higher side, unless you know a place to sell higher than the Binance rate. But if you are looking for a way to make international payments way more than $100, $200, $500 without the CBN problem of $20, and as well you don't want to buy at the black market rate, then you can use this card. But if you use it for arbitrage, I don't think there will be profit. I seriously don't think you're going to make tangible profit. But let me just show you, in case someone out there wants to make international payments and doesn't want to go outside or get at black market rates. So you just let's say you want for $200 or $100. Yes, what you just have to do is, of course, you now put your phone number. You can select your country from here. Yes, you can select your country from here, or if you don't want to select your country, you can just type 234. So you put your phone number, and then when it comes to the address, the billing at valid, to say valid US address, this address here, you use this address. Yes, this address worked for me. Yeah, this billing address worked for me. Yeah, so just copy this. And then, by the way, if you need some ways to make legitimate income online, or some other ways that I do arbitrage and make money online, you can message me on Instagram at WATERFRED'S. And please note that my course or my training is a paid course. It is not a free course, guys. You can copy it and use it. And then note that this is a one-time use card. Yeah, this is a one-time use card. So once you finish using it, you have to get another one. Not like you're going to renew it, or so it's a one-time use. You now click on what proceed. If it's your first time, it's going to ask you to verify your BVN. Yes, you're paying in Naira, so you are going to verify your BVN to ask you to take a picture of yourself. Make sure that the background is well lit and everything. So once you are here now, you can now see that you are paying via Flutterwave. You are paying via Flutterwave, so you can put in your card details here, or make payment via bank or bank transfer or anything. Once you finish making these payments, you are going to get the details of the card. Now, the phone number you signed up on is where they're going to send you a link, and once you click on that link, it is going to bring you to a place like this. Yes, it's going to bring you to play. This is my own MasterCard that I got. I've actually used this guys like 2 times, and the card worked very well for me. Now, once they bring you to this platform, you will see that the cards are not going to have any numbers at all. They're not going to have any number. If you click the back, they are not going to have any card number at all. It will just be rolling and tell you to spend like 30 minutes or more. So it will just be rolling. Just be patient and leave it. After 30 to 40 minutes, yes, just come back again and click on that link again that they sent you to your phone number. You can click it on your phone or your system or anywhere, and it's going to bring you to this place. After getting the card, you see that there will be balance here. My own is really 0 because I've used my own. I've used it online, and I used this card on Wise, and it worked on Wise. This card also works on Amazon. It also goes on PayPal. So once you finish using it, that means that particular card is gone, and then you have to get another card if you want another one. And then there may be a case where you make this payment here and it may say payment unsuccessful, and then you get debited. If that happens, what you're going to do is just come to Instagram. Of course, you can follow these guys on Instagram. This is their Instagram handle. Yeah, this is your Instagram handle, DigiGiftNG. Once you are here, you can just come and message them. This is not a paid advert or something. This is what I did and it worked for me. Just come here and click. You can see their website here. So just come here and message them and send them a screenshot and everything, and they are going to attend to you and rectify the issue and give you your card. Now, one last thing, guys, I don't recommend you use this card on Binance, guys. Please, I don't recommend you use this card on Binance. The reason is, on your Binance account, except if maybe you are in the US, on your Binance account, except if you signed up on Binance with a USA address, on your Binance account, your account name or the address you used to sign up, if it's Nigeria, if you use Nigerian address to sign up on Binance, and you use a card, a card that has a USA billing address directly on it, it may bring issues. I've had issues where some people's Binance account got locked, got frozen, got closed down because they used the card that is different, that has a different billing address to the one that they used to sign up on Binance. So I don't recommend you use this on Binance. You can use it on Amazon, you can use it on PayPal, you can as well use it on TransferWise. It goes well on TransferWise too. I use mine on TransferWise. So basically that is how it is. And then just like I said before, I don't use this card for arbitrage. The rates of 5.76 to $1 may not give you profit if you want to sell, except if you know a bigger place where you can sell like for like 600 or 590 something. Profit is going to be guaranteed because you know there's a fee of 4.95 when you're trying to get this card. If you want to make international payments and you still don't want to get a black market rate, this is perfect. This is just a perfect game for you because this is way cheaper than the black market. But for arbitrage, I don't think it may be worth it at the end.